The traditional Japanese diet, often referred to as washoku, has garnered global attention for its health benefits and its role in promoting longevity. Japan is home to one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Much of this success is attributed to their diet, which is rich in fresh, seasonal ingredients, fermented foods, and mindful eating practices, including portion control. This video explores the unique aspects of the Japanese diet. 1. The role of fermented foods in the Japanese diet. Fermented foods are an essential part of the Japanese diet and play a significant role in promoting gut health, enhancing digestion, and supporting overall wellness. The process of fermentation preserves foods and enhances their nutritional content by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Key fermented foods in Japan. Miso. A fermented soybean paste, miso is used in soups, marinades, and sauces. It contains high levels of probiotics that promote gut health, boost the immune system, and improve digestion. Miso is also a source of essential vitamins, minerals, and protein, making it a versatile and nutrient-rich ingredient. Natto. Another fermented soybean product, natto is known for its strong flavor and sticky texture. While not universally loved for its taste, natto is a superfood in terms of nutrition. It is exceptionally rich in vitamin K2, which is crucial for bone health and heart function. Additionally, natto contains an enzyme called natto kinase, which is believed to help prevent blood clots and support cardiovascular health. Tsukemono, pickled vegetables. Japanese cuisine includes a wide variety of pickled vegetables, including cucumbers, daikon, radish, and eggplant. These pickles, which are often served as side dishes or snacks, are rich in probiotics and antioxidants, aiding digestion and offering a natural way to preserve seasonal produce. Fermented foods are renowned for their ability to improve gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and mental health. Probiotics found in miso, natto, and tsukemono promote the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract, helping to combat harmful bacteria and improve digestion. In addition to promoting gut health, fermented foods may reduce inflammation, support a healthy immune response, and improve nutrient absorption. For example, fermentation makes certain nutrients, such as B vitamins and minerals, more bioavailable, meaning they are easier for the body to absorb. Studies have shown that diets rich in fermented foods can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. In Japan, where fermented foods are a staple, rates of these diseases are lower compared to other industrialized nations, further supporting the health benefits of incorporating fermented foods into the diet. 2. Seasonal eating and its impact on health. The concept of seasonal eating is deeply ingrained in Japanese food culture. Japanese cuisine is centered around fresh, locally sourced ingredients that reflect the changing seasons. This practice not only celebrates the natural bounty of each season, but also enhances the nutritional quality of meals. Seasonal foods are consumed at their peak of ripeness, which means they are richer in nutrients and flavor. When vegetables and fruits are harvested in season, they contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to out-of-season produce that is often grown in artificial conditions or transported long distances. Eating seasonally reduces the carbon footprint associated with food production, as seasonal produce is more likely to be locally grown, reducing the need for transportation, refrigeration, and storage. This aligns with Japan's cultural focus on respect for nature and sustainability. Seasonal eating encourages variety in the diet. By consuming different foods as they come into season, individuals naturally incorporate a wide range of nutrients and flavors into their meals, supporting overall health and preventing nutrient deficiencies. Japanese cuisine features a diverse array of seasonal foods. In spring, dishes often include bamboo shoots and sakura, cherry blossoms, while summer meals highlight cooling foods like cucumbers and watermelon. In autumn, root vegetables like sweet potatoes and kabocha, Japanese pumpkin, are popular, and winter brings daikon and nabe, hot pot, which warm the body during colder months. Seasonal eating also plays a role in Japanese traditional celebrations and festivals, where specific dishes are prepared to mark the change of seasons or special occasions, fostering a connection between food, culture, and nature. 3. Portion control and mindful eating. In addition to the quality and variety of food, the Japanese diet is characterized by portion control and mindful eating. These practices help to regulate calorie intake, prevent overeating, and foster a healthier relationship with food. Smaller portions, greater variety. Japanese meals typically consist of several small dishes, each offering a variety of flavors, textures, and nutrients. This approach contrasts with the large singular portions common in many Western diets. For example, a traditional Japanese meal may include a small bowl of rice, a piece of grilled fish, a side of pickled vegetables, a bowl of miso soup, and a small portion of steamed vegetables. The variety of dishes allows for a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, while the smaller portions encourage moderation. The emphasis is placed on quality and balance rather than quantity, ensuring that meals are satisfying without being overly caloric. The practice of hara-hachi-bu. One of the key philosophies behind portion control in Japan is the practice of hara-hachi-bu, which translates to eat until you are 80% full. This practice encourages individuals to stop eating before they feel completely full, allowing the brain time to register fullness and preventing overeating. Hara-hachi-bu is especially prevalent in Okinawa, a region known for its long-lived population. Research has shown that this approach to eating not only helps in maintaining a healthy weight, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases like obesity and heart disease. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is another cornerstone of the Japanese diet. Meals in Japan are often eaten slowly and deliberately, allowing individuals to fully appreciate the flavors, textures, and presentation of the food. This mindful approach helps individuals become more attuned to their body's hunger and fullness signals, reducing the likelihood of mindless overeating. In Japan, food is often considered an art form, with attention given to how it is prepared and presented. Meals are visually appealing, with a focus on aesthetics and simplicity. This enhances the eating experience, making it more enjoyable and helping individuals to savor their food. As modern lifestyles increasingly lean toward processed and convenience foods, the Japanese approach to food offers valuable lessons on how to eat in a way that is not only nourishing but also sustainable and enjoyable. By adopting elements of the Japanese diet, such as incorporating fermented foods, eating seasonally, and practicing mindful eating, individuals around the world can improve their well-being and promote long-term health. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.